Opening a Gold IRA is a great way to remain safe in economic recessions and to secure your retirement portfolio. Here are all the steps involved in opening a Gold IRA, including the terms and conditions. Just a heads up, this information may not all be accurate, as market and policy changes may happen from the time this video has been published. Step 1. Choose a Gold IRA company and pick a custodian. You have to open a Gold IRA, and to do this, always choose a notable company, like Goldco, for example. Then they will recommend a trustee or custodian to carry out other processes on your behalf. Step 2. Transfer of funds. After completing all the paperwork, the next task is to transfer the funds into the IRA account. If you do not have money to make direct payments, then you can transfer money from your regular 401k retirement account to the Gold IRA. This transfer can be done directly, but if you take a withdrawal and submit the amount into IRA, then some terms and conditions will be applied. Step 3. Choose a precious metal dealer. Typically, you are not allowed to purchase metals and deposit them into the account. When payment is made, you will tell your custodian which metals you want to buy and how much you want to invest. Most people invest in gold, but silver is also a good option if you have a desire to go for another metal. Step 4. Choosing a trusted depository. The precious metals you invest in must be stored in an approved depository, which your custodian will recommend. If you want to select independently, ensure it meets all of the IRS requirements. Step 5. Complete the transaction. After getting all the details of the depository and findings, your custodian will contact a well-known dealer to buy the gold. In this buying process, payment is made directly from your IRA account, and metals will be shipped directly into the account. Special considerations to opening a Gold IRA. It would help to consider a few things when purchasing or selling precious metals to avoid any risk. A little negligence can result in losing a part of your retirement savings. Gold IRAs come with some extra fees, like an opening account fee, transaction fee, custodian fee, and physical asset storage fee. You can't avoid any of these as you are bound to pay your custodian, and storing metals at home is also illegal, which can result in penalties. So this depository fee is also a must. These precious metal assets should be 5 to 10% of your retirement savings. So if you would like to learn more, you can get a free Gold IRA kit by visiting the website shown in this video or in the description. This kit contains valuable information for starting a new account, doing a rollover, adding assets to it, and picking a custodian. Instructions on how to buy gold and other precious metals, how to store them, and how to withdraw money from the account may also be included in the kit. That's all from our side. If you have any further queries, ask us in the comment section. We'll get back to you soon. Also, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to see more information coming your way.